Welcome to this comprehensive guide on deleting categories in WordPress. In this tutorial, you will learn how to remove an unwanted category from your WordPress site through a series of clear and simple steps. This process not only helps you keep your website organized, but also streamlines content management for both guest visitors and search engine optimization. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the WordPress site. Once the page loads, locate the login button, which is positioned at the top right corner of the screen. Clicking on this login button will take you to the secure sign-in page where you can begin the authentication process. After clicking on login, you will see an option labeled Continue with Google. This method offers a quick and efficient way to access your WordPress account since it uses your existing Google credentials. Click on Continue with Google and then select the appropriate account from the list that appears. This step is designed to save time while ensuring that you are accessing your account securely. Once logged in, the next stage is to navigate to the section where posts are managed. Within your WordPress dashboard, locate the area labeled Posts. This section houses all the published and draft content on your site. Taking the time to access posts is important because it provides an overview of how categories are being applied to your content. Within the post section, you will need to find the area that lists the categories associated with your posts. Categories form the backbone of content organization on your website, and it is essential to keep them updated and relevant. When you locate the categories area within the post panel, you are now one step closer to managing the taxonomy of your site effectively. The final step involves the deletion of the category you no longer need. Find the delete option associated with the category you wish to remove. When you click on delete, WordPress executes the deletion process, removing that category from your taxonomy. It is critical to ensure that you are targeting the correct category because although this action does not delete the posts themselves, it does remove the category's association with those posts. Before finalizing your decision, consider the impact of removing a category on the related posts. Although the posts remain on your site, they will no longer be organized under the deleted category, which may affect how users navigate your content. Once you are certain about your choice, proceed with confirming the deletion. After the command is executed, you will notice that the unwanted category has been permanently removed from your list. This clear and straightforward process simplifies the task of managing categories within WordPress. By following these steps, you ensure that your website remains tidy and user-friendly, conveying professionalism while enhancing the overall user experience. Thank you for following this guide. By carefully following these instructions, you can confidently manage and delete categories on your WordPress website, creating a more efficient and organized content management system.